Today cue card.
Describe your first day at school. Where it was.
What happened? Explain how you felt on that day.
My first day of school was at a primary school located in my hometown. I remember being a bit nervous about starting a new chapter in my life, but I was also excited to meet my new classmates and teachers. When I arrived, I was greeted by my teacher and introduced to my classmates. We went over some basic rules and expectations for the school year, and I was shown around the school and shown where my classes were located. I remember feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the new information and faces, but I was also excited to start learning. During the day, I remember participating in a lot of icebreaker activities with my classmates, which helped me to break the ice and feel more comfortable. I also got to know a lot of new friends. We played games and did a lot of fun activities together. I was also introduced to different subjects such as math, science, and literature. I remember feeling a mixture of emotions on that day. I was excited to start the new school year and make new friends, but I was also a bit nervous about being in a new environment. It was a challenging but also a memorable experience. In retrospect, looking back at my first day of school brings back a lot of fond memories. It was a day that marked the beginning of my educational journey, and I am grateful for the friendships and opportunities that it provided me. As you can see, this elaboration includes specific information about where the school was located, what activities or events took place during the first day, and how the speaker felt during that experience. It also includes personal anecdotes and reflections that make the response more engaging and interesting. It's important to remember to use descriptive language and to try to paint a picture of the day for the listener. Also, it's important to include your personal experiences and feelings, which can add depth to your answer. Lastly, don't forget to organize your thoughts and speak extemporaneously, without reading from a script or notes.